up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, welcome back. And as you can see by the title, my dad bought me the newest iMac. Thanks to my dad. I love him so freaking much. Like, if it wasn't because of him, I wouldn't have had this iMac. And I'm super excited. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this iMac, and we're going to be reviewing this iMac and etc, you know. But right now I'm currently waiting for them to come drop off the iMac because it's still not, they still haven't dropped it off. It's out for delivery. And I did get the newest one, the iMac, the pink one, because your girl loves pink, and I'm super excited. And yeah, and I'm also gonna get a new table, but you probably won't see that in today's video, but I will be vlogging that whenever I do. And you guys, it feels like it's been so long since I've last uploaded a video because I haven't held my camera for the longest. Like, it's just been, it feels weird, okay? But I'm really excited for today's video, and this iMac is gonna help me a lot because I'm gonna be editing my videos more easy and more better. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to go drop off my iMac. I was gonna go today to buy my table or my desk to put my iMac, no, my iMac, I can't even talk, my iMac, but they're supposed to come dropping it off like between right now that it's 4:02 from right now, from 4:02 to 8 at night. They should be coming to drop it off. So that's why I didn't go with my parents, with my mom and my brother, to the store. But I did want to go buy my table, my desk. Oh my god, I can't talk. My desk. But I had to stay because I'm supposed to sign it. I have to sign it to get the iMac. So yeah, you guys. So before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell to get notice every time I upload a new video on my channel, because you wouldn't want to miss a video of mine. And go follow my Instagram. So I'll see you guys once it's here. So look what's here already, you guys. My iMac, and I'm going to set you guys up for y'all can watch me unbox it. So let me set y'all up somewhere and let's get this thing started. Okay, so this might not be the good setup, but I tried doing the best I could. But we're going to unbox my iMac, and I'm super excited. So where do I even pull it from? Okay. Okay. Look at this. Look at that. Y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the keyboard. This charger. To turn it on. Then you have this. But this is a mouse. Y'all look at the mouse. It's pink. This is so satisfying. Okay guys, let me set this up. Let me set this iMac up and I'll be right back once it's all turned on and everything, because I know that's what you're waiting for. So I'll be back once it's all plugged in and all ready for me to show you guys. Ew. It's turning on, you guys. Okay. Okay. I'm super excited for this, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, it's writing hello. Hola. Oh, so it's writing hello in different languages. And yes, I put it in front of my vanity for now because I'm gonna get a desk pretty soon. So for now it's just right here. Okay, so let me play with it and I'll be right back, you guys. So look at this, you guys. It's finally set up. I freaking love this. We're going to so we're going to see. Here we have iMovie. No, first we're going to download Google Chrome. No, we're gonna, it's Chrome, not. What am I doing? Sorry. Hold on. We're just gonna do that one. Okay, so we're downloading Google Chrome because your girl uses Google Chrome. Okay, we have it there. Wait, why is it not? Oh, I just realized something. Why is it not working? There we go. I freaking love this. Okay, so now we're going to fix this thingy right here. I had a shortcut. No. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to oh, here it is, customize Chrome. That's cute. So we're gonna go to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so y'all saw it. That's pretty much, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. I already showed you how I customized it. I'll probably leave my background stream like that because it's too much. So I know this might be short, but I just wanted to let y'all know and to show y'all that I got an iMac thanks to my dad once again. My dad literally gives me everything I want. Like, I love my dad so much. And yeah, so there will be more videos coming soon because I'll be editing on this computer or on this iMac. So drop them ideas down below for me to film. So yeah, you guys, so if you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your bell to get notified every time I upload a video on my channel, because you wouldn't want to miss a video of my. See you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.